Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. What I have today is I've been going through recent videos, so check those out, but Papercraft Society boxes of the past. This is box number 7 from Helen Griffin, seeing some fun things that I could make. This was kind of the theme, if you remember, or if you have these beautiful florals, featuring her Simply Made Crafts. You get this lovely, got that hanging off there, this lovely stamp set with florals, and it makes the box. Let me show you here. This box, and I do have this box on my channel. If you look under my playlist for, I believe it's under Papercraft Society, I have a whole playlist of all the videos I've done featuring those boxes. So I'm just going in, using up some product, and wanted to make a fun fold card. So I have a lot of it cut out. What I've got, it's to start out with, actually I can show you. This is an 8.5 by 5.5, so half of a US letter size paper. And then you would score at 3 1/4, 6.5, and 7.5. And then when you burnish those, it makes this sort of a step. So if you can see from the side there. Okay, so it's going to be like a stepper card of sorts. And then you'll need a piece that is 5.5 by 2 7/8, and you score that at 4, or if you turn it this way, it's 1.5 inch in. So and then that piece is going to go like this. And I got an idea from Dawn Stamping Thoughts YouTube channel, so you can also check out that below, but I thought that was a fun card. She did a Christmas version, so I'm going to do the version with this. And the rest is just layering pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down these pieces. So for each one I have a white cardstock piece and then the pattern paper from my kit. And I'm just going to glue all that together. I really like this paper, it was really pretty. Again, this was box number 7, so very early on. I think they're on box like 33 right now or something. So I think I had them from the beginning, and they've been a lot of fun. So this is going to be the back of the card. So this piece is going to fit in right there. And it's fun just to give these fun fold cards a little surprise that people don't expect. We're going to skip that space, and then this space is going to be these little skinny bits here. And then this goes right on there. Super easy. I love easy things that look complicated. So that's what we have if you lay it out flat. We have those two pieces covered. And we'll do the back here in a second. I do have pre-stamped already. It just says happy birthday, and these are both from the stamp set that come with this kit. And then I have the stripy paper that comes in, and I'm going to put that on there. All right, so let's put these aside just for a second and deal with this piece. So we have this done, and we have this. So you want to fold it up as if it's going to go into your envelope, and put it like that. I think I'm going to get, and then this is going to go right on there. Actually, let's glue this on first, because that just makes sense. All right, so we have that. So we're going to come in just a little bit, and we're going to glue it flush with the bottom of this. So we only want to put glue on this bottom bit, just like that. Okay, so just come over. So here's what we have so far. So now to deal with this bit, it's going to just have glue under there, and it's going to go, so if you close it up, you can kind of see on the back where you need to put your glue. So not this whole piece, just on that back bit. And that gives you an indication of what to do there. So I'm just going to put it right on the edge. Again, we're going to close that as if the card was closed through the envelope. We're going to put that down. And now you can see where our stamped panel is going to cover up that seam. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You can also write a message there. Leave some room for that. So the rest now is just decorating how you want. The kit did come with these rhinestones, which I think we'll probably use, but I love how neat and tidy that is. That's pretty. The kit comes with these flower dies and leaves, as well as some labels. I have them mixed in my other stash, so I wasn't able to find them, so I thought maybe I will do something a little bit different, just because I couldn't find the other pieces that go with this kit that would have gone nicely. But we do have these flowers we could use. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut out one of those in some green cardstock, and then I have a bow that's cut out of the silver paper that comes with the kit, and then I cut out this die again in 2 different colors, and then I'm going to paper piece those on to there once I cut that stem off. Just to, you know, give it a little something something. So we can just put little dots on there and then match that up. All right, so we have our card. I just really like these. It's something you can do rather quickly. Once you have everything cut out, it's just a matter of gluing and assembling. All right, again, I'm going to hold that down. Nice birthday card, Mother's Day card, Easter card. I think for the middles, I'm going to go ahead and use those rhinestones. This next size down from the large, super large here. And plenty left. What else came with it? Let's see. Oh, Brad's came with it. That's what those are. So there you have it. I thought it's a pretty little card with the sentiment on the back. It folds into, let's see what the folded measurement is, would be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So you should be able to fit that into an A2 size card. Let's test that out. I have a pre-made A2 size card envelope here. Yeah, so that fits nicely in there. So someone pulls it out, looks at it, oh, pretty. Message on the back, you could color that in. There you go. Thanks, guys. I hope you hit the links below. Check out all the different links, any affiliate links of products you need. I make a small commission for that, no extra cost to you. And I thank you so much for taking time with me today. Have a great day.